Yo guys, I'm back with another tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer Ethereum into ERN token. So with that said, we start the video. Now we go into CoinMarketCap or any other price tracking website, but this is one of the best websites, so I recommend it, highly recommend it. It's safe and it prevents you from getting scammed. Alright, now we click on the search bar, we type our token name, which is ETHERNITY or ERN, and then we come here. We have a bunch of information like the price, the market cap, and others informations, but all we need is the contract address. So we can find this over here under the contracts. Here we click on this icon that copies the address, which when we have this notification, it means we are ready to go to the next step. Now the second step is we go to the uniswap.org. Now we click on the launch app and we come to this page. Make sure that we are on Ethereum network and we connect our wallet. Guys, there is a bunch of wallets, like there is MetaMask wallet, Connect, Coinbase wallet, Formastic, Portis. You can use whichever wallet you are having, but in our video we are using the MetaMask. So basically, for those who doesn't have it, you can just download it at metamask.io by clicking on this button right here, and it's very simple. Now we come back to our video and go back to Uniswap and yeah, open your MetaMask after connecting it to the website, and make sure guys that you are on Ethereum main network. Import tokens, custom tokens, and paste the address. Add token, here it is. Now you can see it in your wallet. After that, you go back to Uniswap and select the token, plus the token address, import it and import it. Now make sure that the address that you pasted here is the same one that you copied from here, so you can prevent getting scammed. And now guys, you can swap between Ethereum and ERN or Eternity, or Eternity to Ethereum by just clicking on this arrow. So guys, if you like the video, please leave a like in the comments and subscribe for more videos in the future. Bye bye.